This is our Amish bread. Oh, yum. Now, I'm just making this up as I go along. We marched off to Home Depot and we were not happy campers. I have determined this is the absolute worst recipe in existence. You know, the Buster Bars they have at Dairy Queen? Well, my son loves them. And it is his birthday coming up. So, I am making a birthday cake. Now, I saw this done where they took chocolate graham crackers and just laid them on the bottom, and that would be a whole lot easier. But I didn't see that till I had already got the Oreos or Twist and Shouts. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my food processor. It's like jammed or something weird. Okay, you always have that one cookie that just never wants to give in. Okay, so let me see. All right, now I'm just making this up as I go along. I saw a couple of recipes, but you guys know me, I don't follow the recipes. All right, so asking for a friend. As you guys know, I've had 5 appliances die in 5 months. Yes, 4 of them were absolutely brand new. One of them was only 8 years old. And now I'm asking for a friend. Should your microwave be smoking every time you go to use it? Just asking for a friend. Have not had the guts to ask Pistol what his professional opinion of that is. I'm not sure Pistol wants to even come near my house anymore. He also had to fix my dryer, which that was not the company's fault. It was someone not cleaning out their pockets, who shall remain nameless. But let's just say, I hope he likes his cake here. It's funny. Okay, there we go. All right, now we have a nice crust. Now, I don't know, I've had my ice cream. I went to the store, got it. It was sitting in the car for half an hour coming home, and then I put it in the freezer, so I don't know how. Oh, that's pretty soft actually. Okay, so I'm gonna use about half of this for the first layer, I hope. I don't know what I'm doing. I've tried making ice cream cakes for my kids before and they weren't the best success, but hey, it's a new day, right? So let's see if we can try this again. Oops, don't lift. Okay, this is not working quite like I had hoped. That's okay, we'll figure it out. Right? Right. Tara always figures it out one way or another. Let's see. I'm gonna put this under hot water and see if that'll smush it better. This is actually a bigger pan than I want, but I think I got rid of my other spring form pans. I don't know. Probably should have chilled my crust first too. Okay, this is not quite working like I had hoped. These ice cream cakes just never Me and ice cream cakes are just not one, I guess. There. Now we're going to take our hot fudge. Shoot, I wish I would have gone and looked to see if I actually did get rid of my pans, because I don't know that I did. The smaller one would have been way easier to do this, but that's okay.
Sorry.
That is said birthday boy walking in the door.
Birthday? Whose birthday
Don't
is it?
peek! It's nobody's birthday. We aren't making a peanut butter parfait for anyone's birthday. Now, I use the salted peanuts because they taste better. What does the birthday boy think of that? So Jack, I'm just asking for a friend. Should your microwave be smoking every time you use it?
What?
Just asking for a friend. No one in particular.
I think your friend needs a new microwave.
You think our friend needs a new microwave for one that's less than a year old?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
When did it start smoking?
When we were making popcorn like 2 days ago, and it's been smoking ever since.
I should have said something.
Has it been smoking for you too?
No, you're not supposed to cook 2 things of popcorn in a row. I don't know if that would have done it, or if it's a separate issue, but that's annoying.
All I have to say is I know nothing.
Just asking for a friend.
Good.
If the microwave is supposed to be smoking every time you use it.
Smoking like it's out of the top or the
It's
front
coming.
or what?
It's inside. It's all.
Is that my vanilla ice cream?
Nope, it's
Oh.
a new vanilla ice cream.
Ooh, well you can use some of my vanilla ice cream if you run out.
I can. Oh, thanks. You'll sacrifice.
Yeah.
Jack is a vanilla kind of a guy, except for peanut butter parfaits. Right?
I like chocolate, but only when it's accented, or only when it's accenting vanilla.
Ooh.
Yep.
Only like chocolate when it's accenting vanilla.
You just tell your friend to keep her observations to herself.
Just tell my friend to keep her observations to herself.
Damn.
Okay, so now the bottom layer is melting, but the top layer is stiff. How much is a Dairy Queen cake? Asking for a friend. Oh my goodness. Guys, why do I try? I just do not know why I keep trying. Okay, but try it I will. Okay. All right, so now we have our favorite magic shell for the top. Do you want magic shell or fudge? You're the birthday boy. I have both. You got to make a decision.
I think the magic shell would work.
You think magic shell would work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the problem with the magic shell is I got to put the candles in first, though, before. Let me grab the birthday box and see if we have enough leftover candles in our candle thing. Oh, we don't have 16 candles. Oh no! Are we out of candles? Seriously? Okay, we're finding candles. We're finding candles. And oh, here's one more. Found another one. Let's see. Do we have any 1/6s? Nope. We got a 2 and a happy birthday. We'll throw the happy birthday on there. Oh, I found more candles. We found a 5. Could I do a 5 and a 1 and a 1, Jack? Would that equal 16? A plus sign. Okay, let's see if we have enough candles. Ugh. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my, these candles are starting to look pitiful. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 candles. And they're looking pretty sad, but that's okay. That's okay.
Lasted through how many kids?
4. So I think it's time to invest in some new candles. Should we invest in some new birthday candles after 20 years? Okay, here is Magic Shell going on top now. Okay, we have 16 candles. One last sprinkling of nuts on the top. Well, I don't know. We'll freeze it and see what happens. Let's see you back in 2 days.
Hey, this stuff's really good. You should buy our cookbook. It's got a lot of cool recipes like this in there.
So I can make more for you?
Yep. Yeah.
Do you think they'll have a problem with my painting clothes?
Your painting clothes?
Yes.
Well, they're good so you don't get all the flour on your clothes. Sure.
True. This is true. Yeah, this is not wanting to roll very well.
Still kind of frozen.
No? It is my son's birthday and he asked for potato soup and homemade rolls for his birthday. So I am going to make them. Now I don't know which one I'm making yet, so I'm just getting my water and my yeast going so that it can start while I figure out which recipe I'm going to use. And I got my fancy nails because I'm doing 4th of July videos, so I'm gonna wear my gloves so they don't get stuck under there. Let's see, which bread dough should I use? Well, I could do the angel biscuits, or let's see. Aha! 60-minute rolls. So maybe I should do the 90-minute Amish bread is what I'm going to do here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I got my yeast and all that. I'm going to add some flour to get started. And salt. And my dry milk, which I'm going to put in with my yeast mixture, just because I need to use it up. You can use regular milk. You can make noise, BJ, it's fine. This isn't a fancy one. Okay. And I got my margarine, which I need to melt. Margarine all softened. Okay, now I'm letting my yeast get all poofy first just to make sure that it's good. Looks like it is starting to foam up there. Gonna give it just a minute more. So it looks like it's all, see how the separation right there? It looks like it's getting all foamy, so I'm putting that in there. And then I'm going to start mixing. I'm gonna do this. So does it need to be dinner rolls, or would a loaf or two of homemade bread be just as good?
2 of homemade bread would be just as good.
Okay. Okay, now when you use the mixer, what happens is it takes less rise time or kneading time because you are using the mixer as part of your kneading.
My wrist is incapacitated.
Uh-oh. Good? Is that what you said to your baby brother on the day of his birth?
Yes, sir.
That we celebrate because we're so happy he was birth to mom and was born?
We are. What?
You wouldn't be harassing your brother on the day of his birth, would you? I am sensing that you are harassing him.
No.
Keyboard. What? Wait. If an octopus loses a leg, does it become a septopus?
I don't know. I'm sure it does.
Yeah.
I'm sure it does. What'd you do? Let me go ahead. Okay, now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. All right, so it is rested. Doesn't that look lovely? So now we're going to cut it into 2 pieces. And I'm going to roll it out. Put it in one of my pans here that's greased. And my next pan here looks lovely, very, very lovely. Okay, we're gonna put it in here. Okay, so now we're gonna have to rise about 45 minutes. I turned my oven on, so it got about 100 degrees, and then I turned it off, and I'm putting these in a warm oven. Okay, sorry I got stuff running in the background, but got a party happening, so I just gotta keep moving despite the noise. So this is our Amish bread. Oh, yum. Go with our potato soup and our patriotic, oops, our patriotic stuff over there. Yum, I love homemade bread.
Nice bread.
Would you like the first birthday piece?
Except I'm gonna be full for the potato soup.
True. Would you like a first birthday bite?
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
I have to fast.
And here's the potato soup that we had for my son's birthday party. Then I began to notice that my refrigerator was not getting cold, so I put my digital thermometer in there. Sure enough, nope, it wasn't working. Just to double, triple make sure. The repair guy came out. Nope, freezer's not freezing either. So everything got moved downstairs again to the apartment refrigerator downstairs. Thankfully, we had a secondary refrigerator. Yet again, oh brother. And we marched off to Home Depot, and we were not happy campers.
From this store, and
Over $3,000.
we're having the first one had to be serviced a bunch of times, and Whirlpool just kept refusing to do anything about it, and we finally just gave up and sold it and bought another one from here. And that one lasted 3 months and completely failed. And we had service, and they had to come out and completely gut the whole thing and replace a bunch of the major components. And it took a month for the components to get there, so we had no fridge at all. And it's been allegedly fixed for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it's failed again.
Oh my god.
And they said they can't fix it.
So they would probably try to do something, but he said this is not going to work. It's not going to be fixed.
I don't understand why the first time why didn't they just replace it rather
Well,
than
he said the
gutting
costs of the company would be way more. They replaced the compressor and the control board and something else, and he had to do like a 4-hour process of draining out.
Just so you
So
know where we're coming from,
Yeah.
we remodeled and we bought a new dishwasher, fridge, and stove, and they all 3 died within 18 months of buying them.
our issue at
Brand
the
new.
moment is we'd really like to see if we could just return that refrigerator, because after it only worked 3 months.
Did you guys get any of the extended protection?
So after they agreed to go ahead and take our refrigerator back, we hauled it home, hauled it outside, of course made a great big mess in my kitchen as we were getting it out, but got it in the pickup. And in less than a half an hour, we were back at Home Depot returning the refrigerator. So now I don't have a refrigerator again. I'm making a summer 2-ingredient fudge. I've got my almond bark right here. And my sweetened condensed milk. Okay, then I am going to melt this in the microwave. All right, got my first round, and then I stir about 30-45 seconds and then stir. Just keep doing that until your chocolate is all melted. Chocolate is melting. I'm gonna line my going to line my pan with a piece of parchment paper that I ripped in half and put it in there. Okay, now this is pretty hot, so I'm just gonna let the heat finish melting my chocolate. While I do that, I got my can of blueberry pie filling here. If you guys like my patriotic fingernails, I will link them in the description below. All melted. My parchment paper. Going to pour in my fudge. I'm going to yum. That is delicious. All right, so for my blueberry fudge here, okay, swirl it around. Okay. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try. Put it in the fridge and let it set up. See? That is really good. Yum. Okay. 8x8 pan, 9x9 pan, whichever you want. Then I got my cherry pie filling, and I'm going to do blops pie filling all over. You don't know if this is gonna work. And then I'm just going to like swirl. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it set up. Wow, it looks really good. Okay, I have made these and I have determined this is the absolute worst recipe in existence. I keep seeing this recipe pop up all over Facebook, so I was like, ooh, let's try that. Doesn't it look delicious? Look at this fudge. It's like gross. Now, in a normal taro world, I would melt this down and make it into blueberry ice cream topping and strawberry ice cream topping. But Anatara is still dealing with refrigerator world. I'm not going to do that. I am just going to throw all of this in the trash. Oh my goodness. So then after that day, just to make it easy, I made roast sticky chicken with rice and carrots in the air fryer. And that was our dinner. Does it look delicious?
It does. Looks very good.